When the Prime Minister said that the Congress manifesto mirrors that of Muslim League, the Congress leaders, they came out and said, look, the Prime Minister is not reading the manifesto right. This is hate speech. He's trying to polarize. What is vote jihad?
Firstly, I would like to say that as you are quoting Honorable Prime Minister, definitely he is reading or decoding the lines between our manifesto and want to communalize his speeches by putting all Muslims, Mughals, and all this thing kind of word in his speech, rather focusing on about whatever you can say education, health, politics, infrastructure.
No, Dr.
So
Patel,
I
if
think
that is the case, then why don't you counter PM's alleged hate with Mohabbat ki Rajniti that Rahul Gandhi preaches? What is vote jihad? How would you explain this? मैं समझना चाहता हूं, sir.
Vote jihad, whatever speech, if whatever you are telling about, if you see vote kranti, something like that. Suppose we want to vote for this democracy, and the perception of the speech may be something like that. Ke, chalo, we want to this time vote for our rights, vote for our fundamental things, vote for our basic needs that we are going to face the challenges. It's not like go and kill anyone or go and put the sword in someone's stomach or
so this is vote kranti. और जो मुसलमान बीजेपी कैंडिडेट के लिए वोट कर रहा है उनका हुक्का पानी बंद कर दो. व्हाट इज दिस सामाजिक क्रांति? वॉक क्रांति इज दैट?
क्या
आगे उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि जो मुसलमान बीजेपी कैंडिडेट के लिए वोट करे.
बहुत अच्छी है. हम सोचते हैं कि आप सब एक साथ मिलके एक ही चीज पे फोकस करके आपको एस्टैब्लिश करना है कि कांग्रेस ये सब चीजों को सपोर्ट करती है. हम बोल रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस हमेशा लोगों के मूलभूत मुद्दे पे काम कर रही है. लेकिन
अरे डॉक्टर पटेल 1 मिनट. अच्छा, आप तस्वीर देख लीजिए. नो 1 मिनट.
कहना चाहते हैं?
मैं कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूं. दिख रहा है सर, सलमान खुर्शीद. हु इज सलमान खुर्शीद?
कांग्रेस मुस्लिम लीग.
हु डू यू थिंक सलमान खुर्शीद इज?
नहीं, आप प्रस्तावित कर दीजिए.
डॉक्टर पटेल, वो तो जनता का काम है. सलमान खुर्शीद स्टेज पे बैठे हैं, उनको लगा कि
जनता अपना काम करेगी ना. मैं क्या मना कर रहा हूं?
नहीं तो आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं फिर? The I in India, the second I in India, INDIA, was still inclusive, but you guys are changing it.
We are inclusive. We are inclusive in everything.
Okay, Charu Pragya, this is a non-issue.
Right from the independence, we feel that we are working for all people.
Vote jihad is vote kranti. Charu Pragya, respond to it quickly.
Can I speak
okay,
now,
Dr. Patel, let Charu Pragya come in.
Can I request Dr. Patel to keep quiet now?
I am quiet, ma'am. I am literally quiet. The question was to me and I am speaking to that.
Great, sir.
Now it is your turn. You speak.
One after another, yes.
So screaming and shouting is not going to get him out of this one. They act. We are merely reacting. And this is classic Congress, Pranesh. I'll tell you how. You think you can just change the name, re-Christian something, and the meaning of it is going to change. They have always practiced vote jihad. Every day. They have just renamed Vote Bank Ki Rajniti into vote jihad. Just the way they renamed UPA into this so-called Indian non-alliance, which is falling flat on its face every single day. Them getting loud now is actually proof of the fact that they understand they lost this election when the first vote itself was cast. Only two phases of the election are done. Congress is already trailing so far behind that I'll be surprised if they get even 30 seats at the end of 7 phases. That's how bad it is. Every single day they put their foot in the mouth, and what are you trying to run away from? You are exposing your ideology and your thought process every single day. राहुल गांधी मां शक्ति को गाली देते हैं. यू कम अप विद एक्सप्लेनेशंस. आज आप वोट जिहाद को दूसरे नामों से बुलाना चाहते हैं. वेल, यू हैव डन इट फॉर जनरेशंस. Vote bank politics is basically what is vote jihad, and you've come out and said it now. हुक्का पानी बंद कराने की बात कर रहे हैं. एक तरफ आप संविधान की बात करते हैं, दूसरी तरफ अपने मैनिफेस्टो में शरिया लॉ लाने की बात करते हैं. And why wouldn't we read between the lines when you don't have the courage to write between the lines? Tell me, what do you mean by personal laws? Which personal law are you going to make stronger? It is obviously the Muslim personal law. Have the courage to say it.
शांतनु गुप्ता,
आपके मुंह से संविधान शब्द अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
Okay, let me bring in Shantanu Gupta. Shantanu Gupta, you know, you have to give it to Dr. Nitul Patel. You know, it takes something to come up with an explanation like this. I asked him what is vote jihad. He said vote jihad is vote kranti.
See, I think we all should sympathize
I'm
with
not the only
Dr.
one who's
Patel, and
laughing.
we
Everybody
all
who's
should
watching is
sympathize
laughing.
with
Sorry,
Dr. Patel.
Shantanu.
We all should sympathize with Dr. Patel and any Congress Pravakta, because they have to daily defend the indefensible, right? I think I just Googled jihad, and any person will do, and the first line that comes up: war against any non-Muslim to establish the religion of Islam. We have seen love jihad, land jihad, that very common, and in a state of UP where Yogi Adityanath ji has curbed land jihad and love jihad to a quite an extent, right? And when someone is asking love jihad, to karna hi padega. And I think now it's very clear, Pranesh, in the first two rounds, they've realized that कि हमारी जो 40-50 सीटें उसको ही बचा लें तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. Even they're hardly getting any seats. So they are going back to their original which Chacha Nehru and Indira Gandhi taught them: appease the Muslims and get their vote. That's the only vote bank they're left with. So they're appeasing their vote bank. So I'm not surprised, I think. And we are seeing multiple signals. Not here. Their manifesto itself was minority. Started with minority, ended with minority. Right? Now what Salman Khurshid is, sessions from outside India is coming. His daughter is speaking कि भाई जिसका हुक्का पानी बंद कर देंगे. So I think we will get the Muslim vote, and that's the only couple of seats they're eyeing. In UP, they're trying 1 or 2 seats where Muslim is more than 40%, 45%. I think it's evidently clear now.
Atikur Rahman Sahib, you know, we've been on many debates together where we've discussed intolerance, and there's an ecosystem in our country, you know, that at the drop of a hat tries intolerance. I want to know, where is that brigade today? They're not out on Jantar Mantar. I haven't seen anybody, you know, marching with a candle. There's no outrage on what has been said there in Farrukhabad. Vote jihad is one thing. The other is a boycott threat. हुक्का पानी बंद कर दोगा, क्या मतलब है? ये कौन सी क्रांति है?
So Pranesh, you should explain to the people then that Congress Mukh Bharat kya ostracization nahi tha? Was that not boycotting the entire party? The entire party, which is a recognized political party by the Election Commission of India, which is recognized by the law of India, calling for a Congress Mukh Bharat, is that not ostracization? Now, calling for a jihad against low voter turnout, you mean to say that you are misguiding the people by the word jihad? It's a struggle against anything which is negative in our society. And today the low voter turnout calls for a voter jihad, that coming in large numbers and vote out a party which is a party of rapists.
No, Atikur Rahman, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Atikur Rahman, sir, you know I have great regards for you. I just want to understand this. Are you justifying, you know, vote jihad by saying that, look, the voter turnout was low, tomorrow they will invoke Karbala, वो बोलेंगे सर तन से जुदा बाहर निकलो, voter turnout कम है. One has to draw a line, sir.
Yes.